Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you know how, my name is Jessica Danielle. Like and subscribe if you like these videos. Ran errands today and I wanted to do a haul, I guess, of what I got. I'm gonna do first things first because they're on me about this. Went to the feed store and I had to get some things. So first thing was the macaw food for my mom's bird. His name is Paco, and we get it there all the time because it's really hard to find like big bird seed. So we go there and they always have like if you get so many, then you get one free. So there's that. I think I spent like over $100. Whenever I go to the feed store to get stuff, it's like always over $100. And then I went to CVS and I got some things, and then AutoZone because, of course, got my car washed and then my wipers were like messed up and all janky, so had to get that stuff as well. So I spent like $300 today on errands. Crazy. Next is these Progility soft chew supplements. I get these for my dogs because they're elderly, and I was trying to look at the allergy stuff, and because my dog still has allergies, ironically, right, you'd think the stuff for allergies would make your dog have allergic reaction, but good thing I checked in all those because every one of them had stuff that she was allergic to. So I was like, I can't even give her any supplements for her allergies. It sucks. But this is the one thing I do give them continuously, like every day. One as like a pill pocket for like their meds in the morning. 2 is kind of like a treat for them, and 3, it helps them go to the bathroom, because if I don't give them this for a few days, I notice a difference. This has pumpkin and chicory root, protease, I have no idea, it's an enzyme, lipase, which is enzyme, amylase enzyme, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is I guess the technical term for bird yeast, and then probiotics, and I just give them 2 chews a day, and yeah. And Amazon actually has them for more expensive, and I wish they had it at the feed store with the deal for the brands, because they only have for certain brands, but that's okay. And then I got them these toys. They're so cute. By Zippy Paws. It's a interactive little strawberry jam jar. So I know they're gonna like be all over me with this. They were when I got in the house. So I need to give them these right now. So I'm gonna undo these and give it to them. So, where you just put the little strawberries in there and you close it up, and then I have to then they have to get it. Okay. I know you heard that, Stella. Stella's like, heard the squeak. I know. We have to get your friend Zoe. Zoe! Zoe! Yep. And they're off. Oh my gosh, if I could put this in. But that's why it's an interactive toy, because it's hard to get out. Alright. And they're off. Come on. Grab one. Want that one? Okay. Stella here. Alright. Oh, and I got them a little treat. The bakery, the Food Dog Bakery, they have stuff that looks like people food. I checked good for allergies. I used to get the there was like one from Target. I don't shop at Target anymore though, so where they had the similar thing like Fig Newtons. Just because I have senior dogs, teeth issues, I like to give them soft treats, so they have that as well to try when they're done with their toy. And oh my gosh, they love it. So that is it for the feed store. Let's move on to CVS. Also, AutoZone, I got wiper blades. I got little tree scents, and then I also got fuel injector stuff. Important for your car. One thing I remember from my dad growing up, he was like, always like every couple months put that in your car, because it does make, I feel like it does make a difference, and it like helps clean the injectors inside your car. So I got 2 for $9. So yeah, First things first, medications. I'm not going to show, but meds for the family, basically. And then, because they made me wait for 15 minutes, I, of course, got makeup. I spent $75 at CVS. And then I know I spent $100 at the feed store. I spent $6 getting my car washed, and I spent at least, so maybe like 200. Maybe. I of course had to get, it seems like it was all Wet n Wild, but if you guys checked out my channel, the last video was a Frozen makeup challenge, and I got that Bella Pierre mascara and I froze it and it got all goopy, but I do like it. It'll, when it thawed back out, it's fine. But I need something for my lower lashes because the Bella Pierre, like, the wand is too big for my lower lashes. So I got this waterproof mascara from Wet n Wild. I just needed to have like a bottom mascara, basically. I hit pan and I'm almost done. I'm working on this powder for Wet n Wild, so I got another one while I was there. And then, even though I have highlighters and stuff, I have like 2, and then a palette from Physicians Formula. I have my project pan, which I'm gonna probably do in the fall and try to work on those. But I got this Mega Glow highlighter. I think I had it before and it shattered. I'm not sure, but because I had it before. I know for a fact I had it before. I think I shattered it and then it like didn't work. Me and my counter and shattering things, it's sad. But I got it in Blossom Glow because I think that's the most, like, oh my gosh, I know they have to do this, but yeah, it's always the making me wait for 15 minutes for meds that gets me where I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna look for more stuff. That always gets me, but I know it's an overspray on the top, but so pretty. Love the glow. I know the lighting's horrendous in here, but just a neutral, like, pink shade. Love it. And then I got the lip liner stain in the shade, I am blushing. Right now I'm wearing ColourPop Haunted Mansion, like, brown shade. I mean, there's 2 different brown shades in that collaboration, which they don't have anymore. Even though I see things on TikTok where I'm like, how does that make sense? Where I'm like, is it them selling it or not? Because it's not on the ColourPop's website anymore, you know? But, so I'm trying to work on those. And then this is the, oh, that's really pretty. The lip stain, just a pink. So I was like, I need to, because I have some that I got from like Dollar Tree, but I didn't really like. And this is, I have not had a liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild in a long time, and I was gonna try and get Rebel Rose, but they didn't have it, and so I got Toffee, right? Toffee Talk, which is a grayish. I'm in a like cool tone makeup kick right now, even though I like warm tone, even though it's very subtle warm tone. But yeah, it's just a nice neutral. And then I thought to pair with it, I got this lip oil from Wet n Wild in the shade Cocoa Rose. Because I do like a matte lip, but sometimes it's a little too drying. And I do like my lip oils and lip glosses, so. Oh my gosh. These, I know why they have to seal, but it's like, gosh. Oh yeah, that's a good combo. So that is the lip oil. It's just, it would be good together, basically. Oh, and it smells good too. Oh yes, I'm excited. I might put that on right now, actually. And I might try the I might try these right now. Hold on. Let's do a little like first impressions. Okay, I was like, what was I got this brush for this, but I was like, why did I say 300? It's because I also spent money on gas. So I spent like 60 something on gas and a Red Bull. Because I couldn't help myself. And then I spent $6 at car wash, and then I spent like at least $40 at AutoZone. And then 75 and 175, almost like $300. Okay, so I have this little brush and I'm gonna put on the highlighter. Even though my skin is so oily right now, it's fine. And thank goodness my makeup, because I did the frozen makeup. It's not a challenge, but I saw another girl do it and I wanted to try it, and thankfully it wasn't too bad to where like I had to redo my face. It's just a little oily, but the highlighter is really pretty. I just need to, which I should have gotten, is blotting sheets, but I don't think I have any. Should I? Okay, so it's kind of, I am putting it on a color already. Okay. Just have to shake it. I do like that though. And then, because I can't help myself, I'll put this over it. Oh, this is reminds me of the NYX one I already had, which is in, I think, Stripped or Unhooked. But this is way more comfortable. So that's good. And then I'm gonna actually try these for my lower lashes because the mascara is gone. Which I've had this before actually, and I really liked it. But I got the waterproof because my eyes do water. And it's so frustrating when I want to try and do like waterline stuff and then it like doesn't want to stay. Oh yeah, way better. I like, because I do remember the pink too, but I don't think I had the waterproof last time. And need the waterproof, especially when the heat happens very soon. And then I'm gonna put the gloss up on top. It smells really good. Oh yeah. And it doesn't transfer, which is good. The color underneath when I put the gloss on. And that is very pretty. I really like it a lot. So that's kind of like my haul, impromptu haul. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. And hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which might be my empties. There isn't a lot, so it'll be quick. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.